Hi, welcome back to the shop. Here we go with, I don't even know what episode this is, but we're doing the Schwinn Stingray, customized, whatever. Anyways, we're going to take care of some decals today. I showed in the last couple of videos getting the frame all ready for paint. We shot some gray primer on there. Then it laid down pretty flat. I didn't have to worry about sanding it all down or anything. We shot one coat that we have in the last couple of videos, one coat of black. That laid down like butter, so it was beautiful. And just yesterday, before I did this video, I shot one more coat. I rough coated it with some fine steel wool, wiped it all down, cleaned it all up, and shot one more coat of black on it. So we have double thickness of that real nice black enamel, and it looks great. So I'm ready to do some decaling on here, and here we go. We have the chain guard. Now I pointed out that this has some, let me see if I can get it right in this area. There you go. You can see the dents, and there were a couple little dents down in here. It didn't look so good. Yep, right there and right there. But I didn't work on those too hard, and I ended up, you know, and it even shows now that I got on a black paint. Now a lot of people, it's a bike, don't worry about it. Until this morning I was cleaning out my junk and I found the same chain guard. This one is nice and straight. Nice and straight. So what I'm going to do is clean this one up because there is no dents. That way when I put the decals on, it will be nice and flat. And that'll, you know, I'll just either do that on camera or off camera. But anyways, we're getting ready. Hey, you want to say hello to my little grandson? Say hi, Zach. He loves being on camera, just like me. Anyways, we're going to take a little time, maybe today. This is some kind of reflective, sticky stuff that I'm going to get off of there. We'll clean the underside of that. Just a matter of washing it, prepping it. Same thing that we do with the frame and every other part. This is actually the only two parts that you need on this bike, so we're going to get you going. I got a little bowl of actually it's not hot water, it's just lukewarm water, like room temperature. You can soak the decals in, and they'll roll up, you know, and then we can take them out of the water and put them on the frame. Okay, here we go. You get your decals so that they just start moving, and if you've never done decals, you know, just got to make sure that the whole transfer is moving so we can slide off the paper. Use a little dab of water on a paper towel or a clean cotton rag, and just a fingertip, and smooth that straight out. There you go. Now we're going to switch camera around, or switch the bike around, and do the other side. And side two. So what I look for on the other side, it has two little star patterns. There's one on this side and that side. I try to line those up over the top. Come in again with that fingertip full of wet. Okay, that does it for that side. Now we're going to go after the seat post underneath here. So I'm going to position the camera again so you can watch that. And there we go. Okay, well, we got the decals on the frame, and that'll be left to dry. And you can see, kind of, maybe see right up on the very top, this is what you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth and it lays down flat, because sometimes it'll have little pinch marks, and you can definitely see the outline of the clear that holds the whole decal on. Anyways, we're going to be working on the replacement chain guard. And then we'll shoot some paint on that, and we'll put the decals on that, and the next time we see you, that probably will be somewhere close to being done. So thanks for watching. Hey, see you next time. Bye.